I've been to their offices, and it's not a fly-by-night outfit, just looking to take advantage of the ERC craze right now that's going around. There's tons and tons of professionals in there, attorneys and tax people, and they're getting it done. They're getting it done for me, and they've gotten it done for a couple of people who've recommended them to. So I would recommend Omega wholeheartedly for your ERC credits.
My name is Griffin. I work on the sales team here at Omega. I help our future clients understand exactly how they qualify for the employee retention credit and how we can help them to claim the ERC. In 2021, Congress amended the CARES Act, and that allowed business owners to take both the second draw of the PPP loans as well as the employee retention credit. This also effectively increased the amount of money you can get with the ERC, and it now allows you to go back to 2020. The ERC allows you to claim up to $5,000 per W-2 employee for the year. And then in 2021, you can claim up to $7,000 per employee per quarter for the first 3 quarters of 2021. So if you look at the entire program as a whole, there is potentially up to $26,000 available per W-2 employee that you kept on payroll during the pandemic. The first and easiest way to qualify is through a basic revenue test. The IRS is trying to identify if you had a significant decrease in revenue in either 2020 or 2021 when comparing that back to 2019. There is an additional way to qualify for the employee retention credit, and that's if your business experienced any operational disruptions or restrictions from any COVID mandates or government orders.
My name is Zakia, and I'm the Director of Fulfillment at Omega. Once you engage with Omega and sign an agreement, you're assigned a case manager who's determining preliminary steps and eligibility. If we need to go through a government order impact analysis, you'll be assigned to an associate who's going to look at the government orders who impacted your business during the pandemic. Once eligibility is finalized, you'll go to our calculations team who determines the amount of credit you're eligible for and file the tax forms to claim it. Once you begin uploading documents, it takes our team about 15 to 45 days to complete your case. After filing, it can take up to 9 months to receive the credit from the IRS. Sometimes it's sooner, sometimes it's a little bit later, but our standard is 9 months estimated. The ERC is a very complicated tax credit, and Omega is doing the due diligence to make sure each filing is correct. So we are making sure we are not double dipping on wages that were used to claim PPP forgiveness. We're making sure we're aggregating the other entities that owners have a percentage in, and we're also making sure that we're claiming the maximum credit. One of the most important things Omega does for our clients is we're providing an audit package as support. The audit package is going to include a summary of our calculations, how we help to determine that you are eligible for the credit, and will help you prepare in case an audit is coming from the IRS.
My name is Kyle Franson. I'm the founder and president of Rancho Capistrano Winery here in South Orange County. We've been approached by probably 5 or 6 other companies, either through mail or phone calls or telemarketing, and all trying to get us to look at the opportunity with the ERC credits. And we jumped through those hoops only to find out that we didn't qualify. So we kind of put the ERC thing behind us until a friend of mine invited us to talk to Omega. And they convinced us that just because we made money doesn't mean we don't qualify, it just takes a little bit more work. One meeting led to a second, and then I introduced them to my accounting team. And the next thing you know, we put down our small deposit, and we're on our way. And really, just in a matter of weeks, we were informed that they were going to be ready to submit packages to the IRS, and that we should be getting a pretty good chunk of money back, which, given what we've been through the last couple of years, is very helpful. Omega's got a 20-year history behind them, so I felt they were stable and they weren't going anywhere, and they just weren't in this for the quick hit. I've been to their offices, and it's not a fly-by-night outfit, just looking to take advantage of the ERC craze right now that's going around. There's tons and tons of professionals in there, attorneys and tax people, and they're getting it done. They're getting it done for me, and they've gotten it done for a couple of people who've recommended them to. So I would recommend Omega wholeheartedly for your ERC credits.